there's something there. I don't know what, but nice light. Would be cool to have someone just experimenting different composition. So we are in a new street photography session here in Hiroshima, and for that session I shot everything on the 35mm from Sigma f1.4. I also used a Moment Cinebloom filter 10%, which helped to create this kind of halation in the highlights, which help with this kind of dreamy filmic vibes I went for. Looking back, I think that during this session I worked my scene a little bit more than I'm used to do. I was really in a good and creative mood, which led me to work a little bit more my scene, try different angles and be more patient, for example. Really dreamy look today. I love shooting at this place, but so far I've tried with my 85, I think also with my 35, but I don't find the perfect focal length to get the ideal minimal composition I have in mind. So at this point you may have noticed that there's a lot of people riding bicycles in Hiroshima, so I thought that you may be interested to know the reason why, so I will quickly explain about this. Hiroshima is a city of a decent size and there is a lot of bus and trams within the city, but there is no subway and the trains are more like going around the town and not inside. The trams and the bus driving on the same road as regular cars, they are subject and can be victim of a heavy traffic and leading to some delay and taking a lot of time to go from point A to point B. Hiroshima being a quite flat city, it's the perfect place to move around really easily with your bicycle. I don't know about the statistics, but it's very likely that there is more bicycles than people here. I see there the tram is perfect spot for the light to hit. I'll try to catch this. point you will see me move away from this scene, and I will end up coming back actually, because I left this place and I didn't have the shot that I really hoped for. And yeah, as I quickly addressed in the intro, that day I was really more in the mood to persevere and really try to get the shots I had in mind, and I'm glad I did, because after coming back I had a really nicer picture than the previous ones, I think. It's an interesting light pattern. Et non, c'est une dinguerie ça. And soon will come probably my favorite shot of this whole session. It's this one where I can see the shadow of this lady walking around with her umbrella. I like a lot of things about these shots, like there is some depth with different layers, and there is quite a mystery because we can see this silhouette but we don't really know who it is, and we can only see this umbrella reflecting on the window and we have to guess what's going on. And yeah, also the colors are really nice, I think. It's been 6 months since I moved to Hiroshima, and you know, the Genbaku Dome is like the main monument of this city, and so far I haven't taken any picture that I was happy with from the Genbaku Dome, but this was until that day.